Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology, and I'm Rajesh MSc Zoology. Today our topic is Zoology Grand Test, and still we have weeks exactly for the NEET examination, and we are conducting regular live sessions every day. So before starting the session, let me check is our session is started or not, and is my voice is clear or not first. Yes, I think the session is started. Yes, session is just started now. Yeah, Chinnu, good morning. Welcome. Okay. I think the voice is also clear, right? Okay. Yeah, voice is also clear. So without any late, let's dive into the session. We have a app, Rajesh Biology. It is available in Google Play Store. In this app, I completed one course like human reproduction that is valued for 1,000 rupees. It is really value for money. A clear cut explanation, completely in English only, the explanation. And for every topic, there is a special test is also there. More than 20 plus videos and 20 plus tests are available. And reproduction, human reproduction and reproductive health classes together, it is 1,000 rupees now. And within a few days, it will be converted into only 1,000 rupees for the reproduction. So the students who are newly joined in the second year biology, second year BPC, second year PCMB, that course is very valuable for them now only. Now come to the free courses and free tests and free materials, all are available. Free materials are plenty of questions are there in our app, lakhs of questions from all the four subjects, chapter wise, and the cumulative examinations from all the subjects. Grant tests are also there. Yeah, clear. So here is the first question. Excretion in arthropoda takes place by. Excretion in arthropoda takes place by Malphish and tubules, green glands, coaxial glands, and all of the above. Yes, very good, Chinu. All of the above are the excretory organs of phylum Arthropoda. If they give insects only, then you can select the Malphish and tubules. Come to yes, Jnaneshwari, right? Second question. Water vascular system is found in Cycon, sepia, mixin, and asterius. And Chinnu says Cycon. So many students are confused with this water vascular system. Actually, Cycon has the water canal system. Water vascular system present in Asterius, starfishes. Water canal system, water transport system, that is we can observe in the sponges. But water vascular system we can observe in the Asterius, starfishes, echinodermata. And water canal system function is to gather the food for the respiration, for the excretion, like that. But here water vascular system function is not only the digestion, not only the excretion, but also for locomotion. Yes, correct. 2, 4. Third one. The amphibians are characterized by the third question. Yes, very good, Chinnu. Scaleless, smooth, moist, and glandular skin. Very good, Chinnu. Come to the fourth question. Match the organism with their characteristic features. So, cryproteins, DNA polymerase, construction of first rDNA and cloning vector. Bacillus thuringiensis, Thermus aquaticus, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Salmonella typhimurium. So these are the things. Come to the fourth question. Bacillus thuringiensis, cryproteins, right? Yes, very good, Chandrika. Fourth one is 4. Super. And fifth question, yeah, Chinnu, right. Macropus is, fifth question, the macropus is what? Monkey, dog, kangaroo, or tiger? You know the scientific names and the genus names of the animals from the kingdom Animalia? Yeah, it is not monkey, Jnaneshwari. Macaca mulatta, monkey's scientific name. Yes, right, Chinnu. 5, 3. That is kangaroo, Macropus kangaroo. Placental? No, it is marsupial. Sixth question. Yeah, Ganeshwari says 6.3 brain ventricles. Ciliated epithelium is found in only brain ventricles. Ganeshwari, no, it is actually present in oviduct, trachea, brain ventricles. So all of these. Very good, Chandrika and Chinnu. Come to the seventh question. Large amoeboid cells that are a part of our innate immune system found in the areolar tissue are called amoeboid cells. If you observe these four, all these four cells are present in the areolar tissue. Macrophages, mast cells, fibroblasts, adipocytes, everything is present. But they are asking about the large amoeboid cells which are the part of our innate immune system. They are nothing but mast cells are going to secrete some histamine, heparin, bradykinin, serotonin. Yes, very good, Chinnu. You're right. Macrophages. And Chandrika, right. Macrophages. Very good. Eighth question. No, it is not mast cell, Gnaneshwari. Come to the eighth question. Major excretory product of cockroach is. Very easy question. Yes. Uric acid. Major excretory product of cockroach is what? Uric acid. Very good. Come to the ninth question. Sorry. Ninth question. Substances having identifiable function and play a known role in normal physiological functions of a cell are called as substances having identifiable function and play a known role in normal physiological functions of a cell is known as. It is a direct NCRT question. No, it is not metabolites. It is exactly the primary metabolites. Okay, now come to the identifiable function, noun role, normal physiological functions, primary metabolites. 10th question. Yeah, Chinnu says disaccharide, agar. Agar is not a disaccharide, it is a mucopolysaccharide. Come to the 11th question. No, everybody says except the first answer, the remaining answers you said 2, 3, 4. Actually, the right answer is 1. Come to the 11th question. Statement 1. Pentoses and hexoses are monosaccharides. Is it correct? Pentose and hexoses are monosaccharides. Monosaccharides can be hydrolyzed. Choose hydrolyzed. Monosaccharides can be hydrolyzed. Choose the correct option. Yes, it is. Both statements are correct, Chandrika. Monosaccharides can be hydrolyzed. Hydrolyzed into what? Actually, monosaccharides are going to absorb directly and enter into the cell cytoplasm in the form of glucose. Glucose is a monosaccharide. Okay. Yeah, Radha Lakraju, welcome. The 10th one is 3. No, it is 1. Come to here. The right answer is 11th one. It's the 1. 12th question. Statement 1 is correct. Pentose and hexoses are monosaccharides, but they are not, can be hydrolyzed. 12th question. Yes. Living organisms having more nitrogen and oxygen per unit mass than inanimate objects. Living organisms have more nitrogen and oxygen per unit mass than inanimate objects. Correct, actually, it is. When compared with the living organisms, non-living organisms have less nitrogen and less oxygen. Now come to the reason. Living organisms have more calcium, magnesium, and sodium than the inanimate objects. Actually, when we compare with the living, non-living have more calcium, more magnesium, more sodium. So reason is false, but assertion is true. The right answer is 3. Come to the 13th question. Yeah, right, Jnaneshwari Chinnu. After I'm saying the answer, you mentioned very perfect manner, correct. Come to the 13th question. Fats have what melting points and oils have which melting point? Try to solve this. Fats have low or high melting point and oils have low or high melting points. Both are high or both are low or both low and high or high and low. Fats have low or high. No, it is not one. Actually, fats have the high melting points and oils have the low melting points. Now come to the 14th question. The spread of bird flu can be prevented by. How we can prevent the bird flu? It is very easy question from the poultry farm management techniques. Applied biology or increase strategies to increase the food enhancement in that topic of poultry farm management. How to build the poultry farm management, in that the problems related to the poultry and preventive methods. Yeah, everybody says 3. Separation of infected birds from the flocks of undiseased ones. That is only I was saying. But culling is also another one. Both by the culling and separation. Both are correct. Okay. Next question. 15th question. Yes. Which statement about nutrient absorption by the enterocyte is true? Yes, Radha Lakaraju says 13.3. 14.4. Very good. Come to the 15th question. The 15th one, which statement about nutrient absorption by the enterocyte is fats are absorbed passively as fatty acids and monoglycerides. This is the correct statement. 15.2. Amino acids are not across the plasma membrane. Chinnu. And 15 not 3, that is the 2. Right answer is 2. Come to the 16th one. Symbiotic microorganisms normally occur in human body in symbiotic organisms. In our body, some bacteria is present. We are saying that is good bacteria, and it is produces some vitamins and helps in the absorption of some nutrients. They are called symbiotic microorganisms. They are present in which part of our body? Intestinal lining and tongue surface? No. No, Gnaneshwari and Chinu. They are present in the cecum. Very important. Symbiotic bacteria. It is the storehouse for the symbiotic bacteria, cecum. In alimentary canal, a part of large intestine. 17th question. Fructose is absorbed into the blood through mucosa cells of intestine by the process called. And when I observe this fructose, just remember another important bit. Where actually the fructose is present in human body. Fructose is not present in the female body actually. It is present in the male. Particularly in male, fructose is present. Where it is present? Fructose. It is a chief nutrient for particular cells. 17th question, the right answer is what? 16.2 is the right answer, Radha Lakraju. 17th question. 17th question. Fructose is absorbed into the blood through mucosa cells of intestine by the process called. Yeah, Chandrika, you are right for the 18th question. Fetal hemoglobin differs from adult hemoglobin. Its structure and affinity for O2 both are. Very good. Very good, Gnaneshwari. You are somewhat closer to the right answer, but it is not penis, it is semen. Within the seminal plasma, fructose is present. Fructose is present within seminal plasma, secreted by the seminal vesicles. There only the fructose is present. Fructose is a chief nutrient for the sperm cells. Come to the 19th question. What is the partial pressure of oxygen and yeah, nobody says the 17th answer. Yeah, 17th one from the Ganeshwari, but very good. But the right answer is facilitated transport. Facilitated transport. 19th question, the right answer is given by the Chandrika. What is the partial pressure of oxygen and carbon dioxide is atmospheric is 159 and 0.3. Very good. Come to the 20th question. Yeah, Chinnu, right? 20th question. Assertion. Most fishes, when taken out of water, die due to the suffocation. Correct only. Atmospheric air contains far less oxygen content than the dissolved oxygen in the water. That is the reason. So, what is the correct answer? Who understand this question and who are going to give the right answer for this? Both are correct, and that is the correct explanation. First thing you should know that atmospheric air contains far less oxygen is a wrong statement. When compared with the water dissolved oxygen, atmosphere have the more oxygen. That is the first thing. And second thing, even though there is more oxygen in the atmosphere, fishes cannot respire the atmospheric air. Fishes can respire only through the gills, that too the dissolved oxygen. So the right answer is for the 20th question is yeah, 17th answer is 2. Rather Lakharaj. Come to the 20th question, the right answer is 3. A only true, B is reason is false. Come to the 21st question. Heart is protected by double-walled membranous bag called. Very easy it is. Epicardium, endocardium, pericardium, myocardium. Heart is protected by double-walled membranous bag. 21, 3, very good. Pericardium. Chandrika and Gnaneshwari, correct. Come to the 22. Blood protein that mainly help in maintaining osmotic balance is blood protein that mainly help in maintaining osmotic balance is it is not globulin, Chinnu, it is albumin. Chandrika also you are saying that the wrong. 22, albumin. Albumin is a large plasma protein which help in the osmotic balance. Globulin is also a plasma protein, but that helps in the protection. The globulin fight with the pathogens. Yeah, come to the 23. The right answer for the 23rd question is Chandrika, right? Cortical nephrons. Majority of nephrons are cortical nephrons in our body. Okay, no problem. Come to the 24. Which of the following processes are involved in urine formation? Which of the following processes are involved in urine formation? Globular filtration, reabsorption, tubular secretion, all of these. 24, 4, Chandrika, right? Statement 1, 25. Statement 1. The epithelial cells of Bowman's capsule are called podocytes. Statement 2. Podocytes are arranged in an intricate manner so as to leave some minute spaces called filtration slits. And this 25, both are correct. Very good, Chandrika. Excellent. You are rocking the quiz. 26th question. Choose the incorrect statement about actin. It is a globular protein. Magnesium ions are not required in the polymerization of G-actin to F-actin. It occurs in two forms, monomeric G-actin and a polymeric F-actin. F-actin is composed of G-actin. How G-actin is converted into the F-actin? It is a globular protein. Correct only. 26th one. They are asking about the incorrect one. But actin is a globular protein. That's why it is called globular actin. G-actin is nothing but a globular actin. Together, all globular actins together form what? Filamentous actin. For this binding, magnesium is required. But here, what they give, magnesium ions are not required, they are saying. So it is the wrong statement. Incorrect statement. And 27th one. Yes. Elbow joint is an example of elbow joint, our hand joint, is an example of what? Hinge, gliding, ball and socket, or the pivot joint. 27th question, easy question it is. Elbow joint. No, it is not gliding joint, it is a hinge joint. Hinge. 27th one. Elbow joint is a hinge joint. 28th question. Source of calcium ions for muscle contraction in both sarcoplasmic reticulum as well as extracellular fluid in case of source of calcium for muscle contraction is in both sarcoplasmic reticulum and the extracellular fluid in case of. No, it is 28 2. Smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Come to the 29th question. Which of the following is not a lobe of cerebral hemisphere? Parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, olfactory lobe. Yes, Jnaneshwari and Chandrika, perfect, right? Radha, right? And Jnaneshwari, right? Olfactory lobe. Come to the 30th question. Choose the correct statement regarding spinal cord. Yeah, Chinnu, right? Spinal cord. Correct statement is what? It is an elongated cuboidal structure. It measures about 95 centimeters in length, or it controls all voluntary actions. It controls most of the reflex activities. What is the correct? 26. You are stuck at 26, Radha. Please click on your screen on the right side for several times. Then you can reach our current question. Now we are in the question number 30. The right answer for the question number 30 is it controls most of the reflex actions. It is not a cuboidal, it is not a 95 centimeters, it is not control only the voluntary. 31. Pituitary gland is located in the bony cavity of 31. Pituitary gland is located in the bony cavity of sphenoid bone. You know, keystone bone of cranium is nothing but sphenoid bone. Keystone bone, very important bone. To this bone only, the remaining all cranial bones are attached. Sphenoid. Come to the 32 question number. Hormone responsible for causing Graves' disease. Graves' disease, you know, it is also called, I'll give a clue for this. Yeah, 33. The right answer is 3. Chandrika, right? The part of the fallopian tube closest to the ovary is infundibulum. Come to the 32. Chandrika says parathormone. No, it is not a parathormone. Jnaneshwari says testosterone for the this Graves. Graves disease is an actually autoimmune disease. It is an example for autoimmune disorder. And it is also called exophthalmic goiter. It is a clue. Can you say now the right answer? Exophthalmic goiter. Exophthalmic goiter means which hormone responsible for the Graves disease. Wherever you hear the word goiter, you can choose the thyroxine. In our app Rajesh Biology, there is yes, correct, Chinnu. So many materials are available. Free video lectures are there, and new videos are also uploaded in this week. I'll try to upload the new videos also regarding to your biology. And in our app Rajesh Biology, there is a 70 plus practice tests are there. All are online tests, and the price is only 100 rupees. That means less than 2 rupees for each test. And in this, one test is the grand test 2022 NEET examination paper along with the solutions. All physics, chemistry, botany, zoology subjects together 200 questions in one paper. And another one paper is 2023 NEET examination guessing paper, which is going to conduct in within 2 weeks. That is also have the all physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, 35 questions in section A, 15 questions in section B. Like that, two tests are there. One is 2022, another one is 2023 guessing paper. Along with that, so many grand tests, weekly tests, daily tests, and which are more than 70. That means for each test there is less than 2 rupees. More than 1000 questions you can attempt. That means 10 paisa. 10 paisa for each question also. It is very, very reason for money. Come to the target NEET short term course. In this course, I completed the 6 chapters, 6 concepts: kingdom animalia, animal tissue, earthworm, human reproduction and reproductive health, and genetics up to the Morgan experiments. For every class, there is a live session, and a daily test is there, weekly tests are there, and grand tests, 3 challenging grand tests are also available. Notes and mind maps and interesting doubt clearing sessions are also conducted, and all are available only for the 900 rupees. The students, if you want to join, you can send me a personal message, then I'll give you a personal coupon. Then you can find out the same course for the 500 rupees. Come to the 34th question. Here is the diagram. The right answer for the 34 is yes, the right answer is 3. Very good, Chinnu, Chandrika and Jnaneshwari. Come to the 35. The 35 right answer is Jnaneshwari, Chinnu, right? Vagina. During copulation, semen is released by penis into the vagina. 36th question. Here I am going to show you the video how to attempt the pre-test and how it is, how much interest it is. When you open the app, left upper corner there is a 3 bars. If you click on that, a side menu will open. In that 4th option is the pre-test. And many tests are there, upcoming, attended and ongoing tests. More than 20 tests are there. You can choose your favorite topic to attempt the test. And in each test there is a 1 question and 4 options. Each question carry 4 marks and 1 negative mark is there. It will show you the time also. Near to the time there is a I button. That I button is only for the review. Like if you don't want to waste your time with that unsolved question, you can simply click on the review button and you can go on to the remaining questions. While you are submitting, it shows you with the purple color. These are the questions you clicked for the review. If you want to resolve, you can go through the purple color button. If you click on the purple color button, it will take you to the respected question, and you can solve that. When you are submitting, it shows you how many questions you attempted, and how many questions you select for review, how many questions you left. And after submission, within the fraction of few minutes, few seconds, it will calculate our score and it will compare with the previous student's score, and it will give you the rank along with the solutions. And it is really an amazing experience. So download the app and attempt the free test and practice your knowledge, check your knowledge. Come to the 36th question. The right answer is emergency contraceptives are effective within 72 hours of coitus. The second option. Very good, Gnaneshwari, Chandu, and Chinnu. Thank you for watching. Come to the 37th question. 35 1. No, or rather, it is 2. Origin of Earth dates. Origin of Earth dates back to. Origin of Earth dates back to 10,000 to 15,000 million years, or 4,000 to 4,500 million years ago. Yes, Chandrika and Gnaneshwari, you're right. 4,000 to 4,500 million years ago. 38. Who finally refuted the theory of spontaneous generation and experimentally disproved it? Louis Pasteur with his Swan neck experiment. Excellent, Chandrika. 38.3. And Gnaneshwari, right. Come to the 39th question. What did S.L. Miller observe in his experimental setup? He observed the formation of amino acids. Yes, you are right, Chandrika. Superb. And Gnaneshwari also correct. 39 2. Come to the question number 40. In our app Rajesh Biology, there is biology related magazines are there, and it is really good magazines for the biology students, biology aspirants. It will present biology related things with a great diagrammatic presentation. I'll show you for the next live session how it is looks like. I have a manual copy. I have a hard copy with me. I'll show that for the next live session. Come to the 40th question. Cytokine barriers include, interferons. 40th one, right answer. Very good, Chinnu. 41. And Chandrika says 1. The antibody present in colostrum is IgA. Very good, Chandrika. 41 is 1. Gnaneshwari, Chinnu also correct. 42. Pneumatic bones are found in. Pneumatic. What is meant by pneuma? Pneuma means air. The pneumatic bones are present in. Sorry. Right. Very good. It is Carvos. 42. 4 is the right answer. Very good, Chinnu. Carvos splendens. That is a scientific name of crow. Kaki. Kaki scientific name of the. And the birds have the pneumatic bones. Columba, Carvos. Okay. 42. 4. Correct, Janeshwari also. Come to the 43. Yes. Among the non-infectious diseases, which of the following is the most common fatal disease of a human beings? Non-infectious diseases, but that leads to the death, fatal disease among the human beings. Very easy question it is. A deadly disease. Very good, Chandrika. It is cancer. Cancer is a non-infectious, but it is fatal. 44. The amount of adenine is always equal to in DNA. The amount of adenine is always equal to in DNA, equal to, for what in DNA? Adenine is always equal to what in DNA? If it is RNA, we can say like uracil. Yes, very good. The right answer is thymine. Chandrika, Gnaneshwari, Chinnu, right? 45. And try to join in our Telegram channel to get the regular updates about our live sessions, and I'll try to post some questions also, quiz also I'll conduct within the Telegram channel. Today after the live session, I'll post 3 to 5 questions from today onwards, up to the NEET examination. So if you join the Telegram, it is better. I'm not going to disturb you with the more posts, but definitely it will help you whatever I post in the channel. For previous students, they know how much important materials and the questions I post in the Telegram channel. Come to the 45. The chemicals stored in the synaptic vesicles are termed as neurotransmitters. Synaptic vesicles release these chemicals in the synaptic cleft. Chemicals stored in the synaptic vesicles termed as neurotransmitters. That is okay. Synaptic vesicles release these chemicals into the synaptic cleft. That's why they are called neurotransmitters. No, I think. So both are correct, but it is not a correct explanation of reason. Very good. 45 to Gnaneshwari. Very good. Come to the 46. Which of the following are not steroidal hormones but still do not act through second messenger system? Are small, non-polar, and can be taken orally? Which of the following are not steroidal hormones but still do not act through second messenger system? Are small, non-polar, and can be taken orally? Yeah, Gnaneshwari says estrogen, progesterone. Estrogen, progesterone are the steroidal hormones, Gnaneshwari. That's why the name itself indicates estro, steroidal, progestero, steroidal, testosterone, steroidal, cortisol, steroidal. So the names also aldosterone. Like that, they are made up of these steroids only. So prostaglandins, estrogen, progesterone, they are not the steroidal hormones. Sorry, they are the steroidal hormones, but question is asked about non-steroidal. We can take orally also. They are small and non-polar, but they can act like a steroidal hormones. Yes, very good, Chinnu. Thyroid hormones, T3, T4, very, very important and dangerous hormones in our body. Very essential hormones. Thyroid hormone, even though it is not a steroidal preparation, it can enter into the cell cytoplasm. 47. Identify the plasmid among the following. Now we have the subscribers 95, I think. Yes, Chandrika says 48.4 and Chinnu says 47.1. Actually, it is not HindIII. Plasmid among the following is PBR 322 is the plasmid. 48, 47, 2. 48, who says Chandrika? All of these. Gel electrophoresis separates DNA molecule according to their not size, sorry, not shape and not magnetic field, based on the size only. The small size and the big size, like that. No, it is not a shape, magnetic field. Based on the size only, they are separated in the gel electrophoresis. Big DNA fragments and small DNA fragments. 49. The bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis is widely used in contemporary biology as 49. Bioweapon, bioinsecticide, bioweedicide, and indicator of water pollution. Yes, it is bioinsecticide. Very good. Last but not least, our favorite question. As per our YouTube tradition, the students who are giving the answer for the last question, 50th question, they will definitely get the good marks, whether the right answer is right or wrong. You should attempt this question. The inter-atrial septum in the human heart can be best described as inter-atrial septum within the human heart can be best described as And Samba Shiva, welcome Samba Shiva. The right answer, you are say the right answer, 49th too. And thank you so much for all the students, Chinnu, Samba Shiva, Ganeshwari, Chandrika, and Radha, for each and every one who are attended and make this session successful with your presence. It is not a fibrous tissue, it is a thin muscular wall. Very good for the first attempt. Samba Shiva and Gnaneshwari and Chinnu, right? It is a thin muscular wall. So thank you so much, all of you. I'll try to conduct the live session evening 4 o'clock also. If there is a live session, I'll let you know through the our Telegram channel, and in our app also. I'll send you the link to in your message box. Okay, I'll drop a message box. And prepare well. All the best. We have only 2 weeks for the NEET examination. Thank you. Have a nice day.